What's going on, y'all? We're back again with another unboxing of the Air Jordan 11 Concord. In December of every year, Jordan has always released a Jordan 11, and this year they brought back the Concord. So these will be releasing in full family sizes in-store and online on December 8th, which is this Saturday. The last time the Jordan Concord was released was back in 2011. The Jordan 11s were designed by Tinker Hatfield back in 1995. Tinker Hatfield designed these while Jordan was away playing baseball. So I read that the Nike people, upper-ups, didn't think he was coming back to play basketball. They just thought that was it. And just like Tinker Hatfield predicted, Jordan came back to play basketball for the 1995-96 season, and he wore these for the first time in the Eastern Conference Finals against the Orlando Magic in May of 1995. Similar to the Bread ones, these shoes didn't follow the NBA dress code, so Jordan couldn't wear these in the game, and we didn't get a chance to see the name or the colorway until the official release 6 months later. Tinker Hatfield reportedly said that the Jordan 11 was his favorite sneaker model that he's designed just because of all the technological advances he has in the shoe itself. The Jordan 11 was the first basketball shoe by Nike or Jordan to feature patent leather on the upper as well as a carbon fiber shank plate. The ballistic mesh upper is made out of a nylon material that is both durable and strong and provides an elasticity for a great performance. The carbon fiber shank plate in the outsole provides more stability as well as torque when you're cutting and twisting on the court. And according to Tinker Hatfield, the patent leather on the mudguard resembles the sleekness of a convertible. The first major difference between the 2018 Concord versus the 2011 Concord is the 45 that's printed on the back tab. The number on the back heel used to be 23. 45 is actually his favorite number. It's his older brother's number, and that's the number he wore on his comeback season. Another major difference between the 2018 version, the patent leather is cut higher, which resembles the original version back in 1995. But the 2018 version, just like the 2011 version, has the same white upper with the icy blue outsole. There's been debate that the 2018 release has an icier blue outsole, but let me know what you guys think. So originally, Jordan, when he first saw these shoes, he told Tinker that people are gonna wear these with tuxedos. And Tinker thought it was crazy. It was a crazy idea. No one's gonna do this. And then 3 months later at I think it was the American Music Awards, that Boyz II Men actually went on stage all out in black tuxedos with the Jordan 11 Concords on. So that's why people still, to this day, refer to them as the tuxedos on your feet. The Jordan 11 Concord is one of the most versatile sneakers in the market. Anybody can wear these, whether you're a sneakerhead or not, whether you're a basketball player, fan, or just a casual person that just needs a good pair of sneakers. So don't forget, on Saturday, December 8th, these will be dropping in full family sizes online and in stores. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the comments below, please let me know what you guys want me to unbox next.